Hey, what's up guys? So as you've seen in the thumbnail guys, today we're going to create a Beyblade with this. Yeah, I know guys, this sounds very weird and also it's fully logicless because if we still try to make a Beyblade with this feather, at the end the Beyblade will not gonna perform similarly like a Beyblade. So yeah, this is fully logical. I'm not going to waste this badminton feather guys because it's already wasted guys. As you can see from the bottom, it's little bit damaged or little bit pissed off as you can see. So yeah, this time I'm going to use this feather to make a Beyblade. So okay, let's just quickly do that. Okay, first just let me quickly take out the feathers. We just only need the feather guys, not this bottom foam part. Just need the feathers. I don't know guys how this feather just got damaged. I don't know. You can clearly see the damage guys, and yeah, it's not usable anymore for badminton playing. So here you go guys, here we have the feathers. So now let's just quickly just take out all the feathers from this wires. Okay, last two feathers to take out. Come on. Oh yeah, here we go. So yeah guys, this is taking so much time, but still not going to give up. Here we go. Finally all the feathers are out from this sticky thread. So here are the feathers guys, let's look at that. Wow. Okay, so let's just quickly make our new Feather Beyblade Kazami bird. Guys, I'm not going to keep the feathers too much long, otherwise the bay will be too much unstable, I guess so. So guys, here we go. Beyblade X prong cuts are done. Looking really cool.
I can feel it now.
As you know guys, this feather Beyblade is really going to be very lightweighted. So I'm going to use this metal disc as you can see, which I always use in my previous MCL Beyblades, you know. So okay, let's just quickly just stick it like this. But before that we have to create some holes inside around the bottle cap. Then I will just attach the feathers. So I think guys I was able to create total 12 holes, but actually I really have almost 16 feathers. So yeah, unfortunately I will not be able to stick all the feathers, but at the end if I have some extra feathers I will definitely stick them at the bottom somewhere. Let's see how it looks with the feather on. Whoa, wow, look at that guys. I can also give curved shape to the feathers like this as you can see for better air resistance. Not bad. So here you go guys, last two. And here we go, last one. And here it is guys, just look at that. Finally we have our new feather Beyblade layer. Wow. But yeah guys, it's very lightweighted. So yeah, I'm going to stick it on this circular metal disc like this. But yeah, still I need to give little bit, you know, design. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments guys. Okay, so guys, these are actually the extra feathers that I had, and as you know I was actually able to stick only 12 feathers on the bottle cap, but I actually had 16. So just attaching the other feathers inside, I mean at the bottom of the bottle cap like this in a triangular form here as you can see. Yeah, looking better. Okay guys, for the performance tip I'm going to use the top part of this bottle container, I mean a plastic container. Okay, let's just really cut out the top part. Here we go. So yeah, just going to stick it at the bottom like this with glue. Colors, yeah guys, really like the color combination, purple, green and blue. Here we go, and let me know your thoughts about this feather bay. I don't know how will be the performance, but yeah, I can pretty much assure you it's really going to be very bad in performance. And yeah, I think the weight is almost 15 grams, I guess so. We will gonna weight that very soon. But here it is guys, just look at that from the front side, looking really colorful with the colors now. Feather Beyblade, or I can say as call it, I can just call it guys as a feather fly Beyblade. Yeah guys, good name, feather fly. Okay guys, let's see how much this feather bay actually weighs. I don't have any huge expectation, but let's see. Oh yeah guys, as expected, only 23 grams, very lightweighted guys. But
ये दिन देखने से पहले राजू तलवार मर क्यों नहीं जाता है?